Hello students, this is Mrs. Raksha Shirodkar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College of Commerce and Science. We will continue with the same subject, that is from Computer Science Paper 2 Chapter number 2 Instruction Set of 8085. So in the last video we had completed with the second group of instruction, that is arithmetic group. So we completed with total 2 groups, that is data transfer group and arithmetic group. So today we'll be starting with the logical instruction, that is the logical group of 8085. So the very first instruction in this particular logical group is ANAR. Logical in the sense, if you all remember, in the 11th standard we had logic gates chapter, in which we had AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate, correct? So we'll be studying all of these gates with the binary addition or subtraction, or how to do the OR in the binary sum, or how to XOR in the binary sum, ANA, which stands for AND. So all of these three gates will be required in this particular group. So logical group, let us start with the very first instruction, that is ANAR. So ANAR, which stands for logical AND, R, which is nothing but the register with the accumulator. So what it does, it will AND the register content with the accumulator content. So hence the full form of this particular instruction is logical AND register with the accumulator. The format is shown as A and R. The top cap, or you can say as top arrow, if you know the top arrow in the calculator, also we have cap, we say. So that is for AND operation. The symbol for AND operation is the top cap. So A and R, and the arrow is moving towards A. That means the result of the AND operation will be stored in the accumulator itself. Addressing mode will be register addressing mode, since there are only registers which are allowed in this particular instruction. Then group is the same, that is logical group. Bytes will be 1 byte, and the flags that here will be affected are sign, 0, parity are modified, and the carry flag is set to 0 and AC is equal to 1. Okay, so this you have to learn the sentence. If you do not remember, then do not mention in the instruction which they will be asked for explaining in the theory paper. So if you forget the flags, if you don't remember, then please do not mention the flags in the instruction itself. Just write the format, addressing mode, group and bytes. They will not cut your marks. Okay, so let us see the explanation. So explanation, how will you explain this particular instruction is, in this instruction the content of the accumulator is logically ANDed with the content of the register R, and the result is placed in the accumulator. Sign, 0 and parity flags are modified. Carry flag is reset and auxiliary carry flag is set. So here I have taken an example as accumulator content. I have assumed as, let A is equal to 52H. C, I have taken the register as C. You can take any register that you want. So C is equal to 36H. The instruction will be ANAC. C is my register that I have assumed. So ANAC, where I need to assume the accumulator content and the C register content, both I have assumed, that is A as 52, C as 36. So after executing this particular instruction, that is ANAC, what happens? You need to AND, you need to write both the numbers, the decimal numbers which I have written in binary, 52 as 0, 5 as 0101 and 2 as 0010. Same for 36, 0011 for 3, 0110 for 6. Now you need to AND these two binary numbers. AND means normal multiplication. So 0 into 0, starting from the very right hand side. So you will be ANDing these two numbers as 0 into 0 as 0, 1 ones are 1, 1 zeros are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 1 ones are again 1. There is no carry here. In logical group there will be no carry. Okay, so normal for any logic gates, that is AND or XOR, the normal binary ANDing or ORing or whatever XORing operation will be, there will be no carry which will be generated. So 0 into 0 normal, you can take down the explanation that I am dictating. 0 into 0 and means normal multiplication. Then 0 into 0 is 0, that is 0 and 0 is 0, 0 ones are 0, 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1 with no sum or carry, nothing. Okay, so hence this is the operation which I have done, AND operation. So after doing this particular AND operation, the answer that I got is 1, 2h, 12h. So after execution, you will write the answer as accumulator is equal to 12h. Why accumulator? Why? Because the ANDing operation, the result is always stored in the accumulator. So after execution, A is equal to 12h. And you will write the flag register that you got the answer as in 12h, means sign flag is 0 from the binary answer. Okay, so sign I got 0, 0 flag I got 0. Parity I got 1. Why? Because there is even number of ones, that is there are 2 ones in the answer. So 1 AC flag is set to 1. Why? Because in the flag register itself of the logical group for AND operation, the AC is always set to 1, so that you have to learn. Carry is 0 always, AC is 1. Even if in your answer you are not getting it, you will still write AC as 1 and CY as 0. Okay, so the next logical group instruction is ANAM. ANAM is same as ANAR. So instead of writing R, you will write M. But that's it. So ANAM stands for logical and the memory with the accumulator. Format, in the format, instead of writing M, you always used to write HL. So M is nothing but the HL register pair. So A and HL, and the result is going to A. So hence the arrow is towards A. Addressing mode will be register indirect addressing mode. Why? Because there is M which is present in the instruction. Group will be logical group. Bytes will be 1 byte, and flags will be the same as ANAR. So sign 0, P are modified. Modified means it will be changeable according to the answer that you are getting in the binary operation. And CY is always 0, AC is always 1. So how will you explain the content? Explanation is the content of the accumulator is logically ANDed with the content of the memory location whose address is stored in the register pair, HL register pair, and the result is always stored in accumulator. Sign 0 and parity flag are modified, CY flag is reset, and AC flag is always set. Okay, now here I have taken an example as A. You need to assume the accumulator content, which I have assumed as 25H. HL pair content, since it is a 16-bit number, you need to assume the 16-bit number address, that I have assumed as C050H. And since the result is stored in accumulator, you need to here assume again that 16-bit data as an 8-bit data. So for C050, which I have assumed as for HL register pair, again I have assumed as 33H as 8-bit number for the HL register pair. So in short, the HL register pair, the data is 33H and accumulator is 25H. Then you will write the instruction ANAM. Since there is M, you will not change. In the previous instruction there was R, which is changeable. You can write any, you can take any register for R. Okay, so ANAM. So you will write the binary numbers for accumulator, that is 25H in binary, and 37. Okay, here I have taken 37. So here by mistake I have written 33H. You take it as 37 only. So HL register pair, you take it as 37 instead of 33. Okay, so 37, the binary number I have written for 3 is 0011, 7 is 0111. Okay, so the ANDing operation, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 0 is 0, 1 1 is 1, 0 is 0, 1 0 is 0, 1 1 is 1. Only you will write if both the numbers are 1, then only the result will be 1. If one of the digit is 0, so 0 into anything is always 0. Okay, so the answer that I got after ANDing operation here is 25H. So after execution you will write A is equal to 25H. The result got stored in accumulator. And the flags that you got, except for AC and 0, carry flag, which is always carry is set as 0 and AC as 1. Sign is 0. Why? Because my D7 bit is 0. 0 flag is set to 0. Why? Because my answer is not all zeros in the binary answer. Parity is 0. Why? Because here I got 3 number of ones, that is odd number. So hence parity flag got set to 0. Okay, so here we completed with two instructions, that is ANAR and ANAM. Now we'll continue with the third instruction in this particular group, that is ANI data. In the same way it is, so for AND operation we total have three instructions, that is ANAR, ANAM and the last is ANI. Okay, so in the next video we'll be starting with some other instructions in the same group, that is OR. Okay, so the same way we'll be following. The same way we'll be following, that is ORAR, ORAM, ORI data. Okay, so the third instruction in this particular video that we have is ANI data. So ANI data, which stands for AND immediate data with the accumulator. Your I stands for immediate data. So hence it will follow which addressing mode as immediate addressing mode. Format will be A, ANDing with data and the arrow towards A. So the result will be stored in A. This instruction is also the same as the previous two instructions. The only change in this instruction is instead of writing R or M, here will be taking the data. Okay, so A and I stands for AND immediate data with the accumulator. Okay, addressing mode, immediate addressing mode. Format as shown. Group is logical group. Bytes is 2 byte. Why? Because there is data which is present, so hence it got added one more byte for this particular instruction as 2 bytes. Okay, since the data is of 8 bits, so the bytes of this particular whole instruction is 2 bytes. Flag is same. So the explanation for this particular instruction will be, the content of the accumulator is logically ANDed with the 8-bit immediate data specified in the second byte of the instruction. The result is placed in the accumulator. Sign 0 and parity flags are modified. Carry flag is reset. AC flag is set. Okay, you can change the comment or explanation as, in this particular instruction, the accumulator content is ANDed with the 8-bit data and the result is stored in the accumulator itself. Okay, now here I have taken an example as, let A is equal to 88H. I have assumed accumulator content is 88H. The data I will not assume. Why? Because you need to mention in the instruction itself. So the instruction is ANI 22H. So this is my data that I have assumed as 22. You can assume any data. Okay, so A as 88H and data as 22H, which you need to AND both of these binary numbers. The answer that I got after ANDing is 00H. Correct? So you can try it by yourself in your rough notebook, the ANDing operation. Okay, you also need to practice the binary addition, subtraction. In the previous videos I have already taught you all the instructions. You all need to practice and study. Okay, so after execution, the accumulator content is 00H now. The flags that got affected here are signed as 0. 0 flag will be 1 first time. Why? Because the whole answer that I got in the binary answer is all 8 zeros. So hence the 0 flag is set to 1. Parity is 0. No number of ones. So the parity flag is set to 0. Why? Because even if there are no number of ones, that means 0 number of ones, which is an even number. 0 is also an even number, so the parity flag is set to 0. Okay, then AC flag is set to 1, CY is set to 0. Okay, so this was my last instruction in this particular video. In the next video we'll be continuing with the same group. Thank you, students.